In this practice, it's self-check problem 14.13, so stack queue usage 1. We're asked what's the output of the following code. So we have a stack, and we also have a queue. So inside of here, we're really just going to be looking at our stack for the first part, because we are going to be pushing to our stack. Remember, when we stack something, it's first in, last out. So how is underneath u, which is underneath, or I'm sorry, how is underneath r, which is underneath u. And after this, after we push all of this to our stack, we're going to say while our s is not empty, so as long as there's something inside of our stack, we're going to do a q.add and then an s.pop. So we're essentially going to be adding into our queue what's from our stack. And then we're just going to be printing that out. So inside of here, notice the first thing that we do when we run through this the first time, we have a q.add, and we're going to pop from our stack. Popping is where we take the top of our stack. So we have u being printed out first because it's at the top. So we take it, popping it also removes it from our stack. So we have u, and then after this, we are going to pop off r. So we have r, and then we're going to do the same thing, but for how. And we're going to print that out. If we press submit, pass 101 tests. If that was a little hard for you, there's more examples in the playlist below the like button, or you can always leave comments in the description below, or actually below the description. You can leave comments in the comments section.